You want to make the garden party cardigan, but you're not sure what size to make, which means you don't know how much yarn to buy. Let me help you out.
Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me.
Looking at the garden party cardigan right down here, you can see that Taylor is wearing the extra large size. But what you don't know is Taylor is about a medium large size naturally. So she is wearing a sample that is a little bit larger than what she would normally wear, right? Well, you can see on Taylor's sister right here, Taylor's sister is an extra large and she's wearing the same sweater in the extra large. So you can see it fits her a little bit more than Taylor where she has extra room. Now, what does that mean for you? Here's the deal. You can make this sweater any size you want. You can have it tighter, you can have it looser, you could do whatever you want. I will tell you that it was intended to be a little bit oversized. For example, I am a size 52-inch bust, okay? So on here, if I wanted my sweater to fit exactly skin tight with no ease, I would make the 2X size. However, I am typically a 3X sweater size, like I prefer 3X, and knowing that the sweater finished measurement is going to be 52 inches, and I don't want it to be super snug, I know I'm going to want that 56-inch size finished measurement, which puts me at the 3X. Does that make sense? So looking down here, these are the finished measurements of the sweater. So you can see down here what the finished measurement is and compare it to your own bust measurement, okay? So I am a 52-inch bust, but I want to make a 56. Say you're a 44-inch bust. I would suggest you could make a 48, but say you want it even larger, you could make the 52-inch bust. There's no rule out there saying you can't. And that would be the equivalent of what you're seeing when you look at Taylor wearing the extra large size on her large body, medium body, right? It's about that same difference. So when you do that, I can see, oh, I am working the third size in from the outside of the parentheses, 56. So when I look over here for how much yarn I need, I can see that I need 9 skeins or 9 balls of yarn. So that's how I would choose the size for me. Now, once again, you don't have to go by what I recommend. Say you like yours a little bit more fitted and you want it to be the exact same size as your bust. You absolutely could do that. If you want an example of what it looks like if you had negative ease, I will show you a picture right here, That's me in the extra large sweater. And I already told you that I would typically wear a 3X, but you can see it doesn't close on me, right? It just stays right here. So to me, it doesn't fit. It looks good for pictures, but it doesn't fit. So I definitely need the larger size. I hope that is helpful for all of you, choosing the right side for your garden party sweater. And now go out there, grab this pattern. You can get the ad-free PDF or follow along with the free pattern on my website. And then of course, there's always a video tutorial. I'm Marley Bird, your By Crafty Bestie. I'll see you again soon.